Hi guys, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. So I obviously ran out of time in my last video to do the folio and the journal that I just showed. So this is the folio that I obviously, that I showed briefly. So again, it's bound with that pretty pink lace, which again I've just wrapped around a couple of times and just kind of wound around itself. So this whole folio, excuse me, not a good start. This whole folio is made using the Berkeley Square DigiKit, which I obviously launched recently. So the front cover, well, to be honest, it's, personal preference which you view as the front cover. I probably view this one purely because it's got this flower with quite a lumpy pearl on there. It's got an image from the kit, and then it's got lots of lace and some of that lovely bridal lace and a bit of ruffle down here. And it's also got a pocket in there with a journal card from the kit itself. So that's the cover. And then going inside, I've had to pop these bits in because they obviously wouldn't really fit in here. So inside here, we've got an envelope which kind of opens out. Now, can I fit this in? Yeah. So you've got obviously some lace trim here, an image from the kit. Is this a pocket? I can't remember now whether this is a pocket or whether it's a belly band or whether it's just decorative detail. And then opening that out, you've got some lace trim down here, so you could obviously journal on here. And then you've got a little flip down here. So, sorry, I'm running out of space to be able to show this. You've got a flip down here with obviously journaling space here. That just tucks in behind the clock up there. And then you've got a flippy pad, which is just on here. So obviously you've got your journaling pages there. That all closes up. It's hard to remember what's got pockets and what hasn't, isn't it, when you make things. And then here you've got a pocket here, here, with a journaling spot here and some lace trim and some diamante. That's just got a couple of items from the kit. This one is backed onto some of that plainer paper from the kit as well. So that just goes in like that. And then this is also a pocket here. So you've got some lace trim up there, lace trim here on the spine, and then you've got a piece of the stationery from the kit there. It's all been distress inked. And then you've got one of my little folding pocket pieces. So in the front, you've got a pocket here with some lace trim, you've got one of the clocks and things, little journaling spot there, and then you've just got a little flippy pad here with a few pages. So this is a mixture of coffee dyed pages and those beetroot stained pages that I've done in the past. So that just goes in there. And then the back is plain, so again you could journal on the back. And then in here you've got some journaling space here. You've got a little pocket here where I just popped a couple of items again from the kit. Another little journaling spot there. And then here you've got this pocket going across here, and you've just got a little booklet with a couple of coffee dyed pages in there. It's got one of the tags from the kit on there on some soft net and some lace trim. That goes in like that. And that just all tucks into that pocket, which now I'm going to lose the stationery if I'm not careful. Always problematic when you reach around the tripod. So then on the facing page, you've just got a flip down with journaling space there. This, obviously, you've got a ticket from the kit with some more journaling space there. Lots of lace and some pearl trim. And then here you've got an altered paper clip, which is just holding on this sort of largish flippy pad. So this is a combination of some of the background pages from the kit, some of the beetroot stained paper, and also some coffee dyed pages. So you've got, quite a few pages there that you can use as you wish. Then here you've got a belly band, again from the Berkeley Square kit, and then you've got a couple of tags, which again I just made them using some of the papers and what have you from the kit. And then here you've just got a little pocket in the back of that tag with another couple of pieces there just from the kit. So again, some more journaling space there, and they all just tuck in here. And then this obviously all just clips on there, if I can do it. Yeah, clips on there, and that just folds back up. And then on the other side, again, you've got a collage of kind of lace pieces, and then you've got this piece from the kit with some lace trim and things like that. You've got some more of that ruffle and a little fabric flower. And then going inside, you've got here another large pocket, and you've got a little fold out piece from one of the envelopes from the kit. Inside there, you've just got a little journaling card, so that just tucks in like that. Here I did a kind of belly band piece, and I just tucked in another piece of this stationery that came with the kit, so that just goes up there. You've got some lace trim here, and then tucked into this pocket you've got the coin envelope that's included with the Berkeley Square kit, and then you've got another envelope that comes with the kit. I've just used one of the round tags, and now this is where I find I've glued it together. The number of times that I do this, it's so frustrating. And actually I've got worse since using that 3-in-1 glue, because it's very sticky glue, so it kind of spreads out. So that's a little envelope. It is empty, but of course you could, you know, pop some tickets and things like that in there. And I just decorated that with a little flower there. So they just tuck in there. And then here you've got some lace trim going down the spine. Then here you've got a little kind of fold out piece with a pocket here, and inside the pocket you've just got another one of the tickets or, you know, pieces from the kit. Little flower. And then when you turn this over, trying to remember whether this folds out. No, I don't think this does. You've got a pocket here across the middle, so I just tucked in another journaling piece. And then in the back of there, I just made a little tuck spot with one of the clocks, where I've just obviously tucked in those tickets. So that just all goes in there like that. You've got obviously some lace across there with some diamante trim. And then in the top of here, I've also done a pocket, and you've just got one of those coin envelopes. So again, inside there, you've just got a little fold out flip, which this is just some coffee dyed paper. And I've just popped one of the pieces from the kit with some doily. It just looks really pretty. I mean, super simple, but really pretty. And that just goes in like that. Oh, sorry, my printer's just suddenly kicked into life. And then just obviously decorated up with some pieces from the Berkeley Square kit. That just winds round like that. So that just goes in there. And then on this side, you've got a little fold out piece here. Again, this was from an envelope. I think, yes, it was from an envelope. So you've got some lace there, which obviously is going around to the front. And then here you've just got a little pocket from one of the banner pieces from the kit there, with another little piece from the kit there. You've got obviously a bit of that collage page and some lace trim with some pearls and some flower. And then here you've just got like a collage kind of doily and lace pieces and a little label. Some more lace trim there and some pearly pieces. So it looks really, really pretty. I mean, I don't know how this is coming out on camera, I'm afraid, because the lighting's terrible in here today. I've got some book page here and one of the ladies from the kit. And then this, I think, is the piece that we made during the launch. So this was just a little coin envelope that I just made from some of the background pages. And I've just taken a couple of the journaling cards and just popped them in to there. So you've got an abundance of lace and, you know, pretty pearls and diamante and, you know, all those nice yummy things that I just can't help but use. Here you've got some like a double pocket going on. This one folds up, so you've got a sort of flip pockety thing. This is just a piece from the kit, and you've got some lace trim up there, so it folds up. And then on here I just did another little pocket with some netting, and again I just popped in another piece from the kit, so that just goes in like that and then folds down. And then tucked into that pocket I just did a, let me remember what it was, a little fold out flippy piece, again with some extra pages for journaling. oops, it's got a pocket here, and obviously there's nothing in that pocket, so I should have obviously put something in there, but you know, obviously you could take something out of one of those envelopes or something and pop it in there. And that just closes shut with the lace trim here on the flap, and it tucks under the lady kind of round ticket. That just tucks in there. And then this is also a pocket, so all I did was just popped in another journaling card there, and you've got some lace trim at the top finishing that off. So that's the folio, and then the extra pieces that wouldn't actually fit in, I've got this little fold out piece here. So again, this is just from some of the paper from the kit. I've glued it together with another piece of paper from the kit so it's doubled it up. Made a little sort of pouchy booklet thing. These are a bit like some that I've done a tutorial for. The only difference is that this is smaller, if you see what I mean, on one side. So rather than doing them in half, I thought it would be kind of nice to make it more like a purse, where you've got one side slightly smaller. And then I've just popped in a couple of journaling cards there from the kit into there. And then in the other pocket there again is another little journaling card. And these ones I've backed onto some more of the background page from the kit. So that's that one. Then you've got this one, which again, this is one of those big sort of page, and now I've again glued this onto something. There we go. Oops, I've now marked that. The number of times that I do this, it's just so frustrating. So here we've got another journaling card, which obviously tucks in here into that first pocket. You've got lace trim, a little piece from the kit there with some diamante. And then here in the back pocket, I just did one of those Matchbox books, but this one kind of like opens out like a little flippy type piece, and tucks in here. So, well, it would if obviously if I could operate it myself, which clearly I can't. So there we go. So instead of where a Matchbox book would be glued down here and everything would tuck into there, it's tucking into here. So yeah, that's that. And then the final piece is this one here, which again, I've just done one of those little coin envelope type or policy envelope type fastenings. So again, just some more of the gorgeous background pages, and it's just making a wallet, I guess would be the description of this. Got some ladies from the kit there, some lace, some flower and some pearly trim. And then when you open this up, you've got a pocket here where you've got a journaling card, so that goes in there. Then you've got a pocket here, and you've got there, trying to remember now what I've actually done here. Ah, right, we've got a hinged piece here. So you've got some journaling space here, here, and that slots down there. So it's like secret journaling in there. And then you've obviously got the back there. So that tucks in here. And then you've got a pocket also at the back. So hopefully you can see that. You've got like 3 pockets here. And in the back one, you've got a paper bag, again, with just a couple of pieces from the kit and some doily. And that's just got a little journaling card backed onto some background page from the kit also. So there's quite a few bits and bobs in the folio, and obviously there's, you know, a few extras that wouldn't quite actually fit in, but all really nicely coordinating together. And obviously, you know, it would be up to you how you use the bits and pieces, whether you wanted to you know, pull them out and use them separately inside other journals, as, you know, as per like a kit, or whether you would use them as you know, a complete sort of journal setup in its entirety yourself. You know, I think it's got a few different sort of possibilities, but really pretty, and yeah, super pleased how it turned out. So I hope that you like it. As I say, it will be in my Etsy to coincide with the video, and yeah, if you wanted to go out and or go over and check it out, then obviously the link will be below. Thanks very much for joining me, and hopefully see you again soon. Thanks then, bye.